Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. When I told you yesterday I was looking for the price action to reach 100,000 soon, I meant in the coming days, not in the next few hours. But Bitcoin had other plans. From yesterday's low at 97,000, we surged by plus 6.33% to hit $104,000 today. That's a massive W for Bitcoin bulls. The entire crypto market followed the breakout, and the traditional financial markets had a strong day too. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dominance dipped from its recent high of 65.4% to 64.4%. Liquidations over the last 24 hours totaled $955.51 million. Out of that, $833.54 million were short positions. Wow, this marks the biggest short liquidation day since data tracking began on CoinGlass, all the way back to summer 2021. Looking at the liquidation heat map, the 3-day view shows almost no significant short leverage left to be wiped out. The only level left is down at 93.3 thousand, which I don't expect us to revisit anytime soon. Switching to the 6-month heat map, we now see new shorts stacked at 102.8 thousand after clearing the hot zone between 98,000 and 104,000. The next upside liquidation clusters sit at 106,000 and 110,000. On the downside, long leverage is exposed between 90 and 93,000. Again, levels I believe are unlikely to return for a long time. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, I was considering closing most of my open long positions at around 100,000. I've been holding a large long trade from a 100.8 thousand entry since late January. Today I closed most of my other longs, including multiple entries scaled down to an average of 94,000, along with positions opened at 96,000 on Binance and 94,000 on BingX. All closed today in massive profit. The Federal Reserve announced its latest interest rate decision, holding the benchmark rate steady at 4.5%, exactly as forecasted. So what does that mean for Bitcoin? A stable interest rate generally supports risk-on assets like crypto. With no unexpected rate hikes, investor confidence increases and capital tends to flow into higher yield opportunities. That's one reason the market may have continued to pump today. In this context, Bitcoin is acting like the high beta asset it's always been, leading the charge as confidence grows across the board. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.